How to turn on or turn off Transcript Assist Auto Detect Language on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button and then tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, tap on Record Calls. After that, go down and tap on Transcript Assist. Then in here, in the Voice Recordings section, tap on Auto Detect Language. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on this feature. In here, when you turn it on, the phone will automatically detect the language spoken in the recordings you transcribed. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.